Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Health Spiffy, your ultimate destination for all things wellness. I'm Leo M., your friendly guide on this journey to better health. Today, we're diving into a topic that's sure to make you go nuts, quite literally. We're talking about the amazing effects that eating almonds every day can have on your body. So, grab a handful of almonds and let's get cracking. Fact 1. Nutrient Powerhouse. Almonds are a true powerhouse when it comes to nutrients. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, these little nuts are a nutritional goldmine. Just a handful of almonds provides you with a hefty dose of vitamin E, magnesium, and fiber, all essential for supporting overall health. Fact 2. Heart Health Boost. One of the most impressive benefits of eating almonds daily is their positive impact on heart health. Studies have shown that including almonds in your diet can help lower LDL cholesterol levels, also known as the bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL cholesterol levels, the good cholesterol. This can reduce the risk of heart disease and improve overall cardiovascular health. Fact 3. Weight Management Aid. If you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight, almonds can be your best friend. Despite being calorie-dense, almonds are incredibly satisfying and can help curb hunger and prevent overeating. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats in almonds helps keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer, making them a perfect snack for anyone watching their waistline. Fact 4. Blood Sugar Control. For those concerned about blood sugar levels, almonds can be a game changer. Research has shown that almonds have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a slower and more gradual rise in blood sugar levels compared to high glycemic foods. This can help prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, making almonds a smart choice for individuals with diabetes or those looking to stabilize their energy levels throughout the day. Fact 5. Brain Booster. Want to give your brain a boost? Look no further than almonds. These mighty nuts are rich in nutrients like vitamin E and antioxidants, which have been linked to improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of age-related cognitive decline. So, go ahead and snack on some almonds to keep your brain sharp and focused. Fact 6. Skin and hair benefits. Believe it or not, almonds can work wonders for your skin and hair too. The vitamin E content in almonds helps nourish and hydrate the skin, keeping it soft, smooth, and youthful looking. Additionally, the healthy fats in almonds contribute to strong, shiny hair, while the antioxidant properties help protect against damage from environmental stressors. Fact 7. Digestive health improvement. Keeping your digestive system happy and healthy is key to overall well-being, and almonds can help with that too. Thanks to their high fiber content, almonds promote regular bowel movements and can alleviate symptoms of constipation. Plus, the healthy fats in almonds help lubricate the intestines and support the absorption of nutrients, ensuring optimal digestive function. Fact 8. Immune system support. Last but certainly not least, almonds can give your immune system a much-needed boost. The vitamin E and antioxidants found in almonds help strengthen the immune system and protect against harmful pathogens and free radicals. Incorporating almonds into your daily diet can help keep illness at bay and support your body's natural defense mechanisms. And there you have it, folks. The incredible benefits of eating almonds every day. From improving heart health to boosting brain function and supporting glowing skin, almonds truly are a nutritional powerhouse. So, next time you're looking for a healthy snack or ingredient to add to your meals, reach for some almonds and reap the rewards. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Health Spiffy for more informative content. Until next time, stay healthy and keep snacking on those almonds.